Just to put in perspective how much water fell from this storm in downtown Milwaukee, meteorologists are saying that they received a month and a half of rain in one night, and there's more rain on the way.
Are you going in with your socks? You're taking your shoes off.
I'm going in with my socks. Hey there, friends. Just before 6:30 on Sunday night, August the 10th, boy, we had nasty flooding. In fact, record rainfall, most likely in Milwaukee and the state of Wisconsin. On Saturday night into Sunday morning, over 14 inches of rain falling on the northwest side of Milwaukee, which will likely set a 24-hour rainfall record for the entire state of Wisconsin.